lights here. Babe, come take a look. Wait, rainbow, pink, black and white. Vin said that he can make these lights for me.
I can make those.
Okay, I'm gonna wait on it. Wait, how does it feel? Whoa.
I feel like you just get a ring. It won't be like this, but you get a ring and you get a string lights. You know, probably won't look that good, but.
Oh, but it feels soft. Do a little tour. Ooh, reminds me of the Airbnb we went to.
Which one?
The one in San Diego, it had like a shower that looked like that.
The one that had like the upstairs.
Yeah.
For our free IKEA family loyalty program and enjoy great benefits like discounts and rewards.
We're probably going to the kids section now.
Yeah. Right? I used to play with these in the past.
Used to.
Wait, did you? Used to too?
No.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. This is like the mushrooms.
Wow, that's actually really cool. It's like a
Right?
lot of Whole Foods. It's not like random chicken or random like
Right?
burgers and stuff.
That's Vince right there. That's it. The little
Crush next to them too.
Oh yeah, we just watched Finding Nemo yesterday, so all of these characters came out there. Yeah, it's for the childcare.
They changed it. Oh, what the heck? I guess they're all different. It's fucking big. Maybe the park mushrooms. Does it look like it's dancing?
It's dancing, it's moving around. First, there's a lot of different kinds. I feel like this one's pretty nice, babe. This one, or that kind of vibe. Ooh,
I like how kind of lower ones. I don't really like these. I think these feel a little bit better on the.
yeah, mini chair. You put stuff on it.
You put your phone.
Ooh,
Oh, so they don't take it or what?
oh, I guess so.
Oh, I think this is just the whole design.
Oh, interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, look at all these string lights. Oh,
Bucks, babe, not bad.
that really isn't. Oh my gosh, look at this one, babe, on the left. Little lanterns. I think that's really cute.
These are so dim though.
It's unique shapes. Unique New York. Ooh, I like this one. I like these. These look like the little table lamps. Cause you could like adjust the dim.
I thought it'd be smaller. But
Yeah.
should I get one?
You would hang it up? This boho lighting. Look at these cute lights. Heart for Valentine's Day. Flower.
What's your favorite?
I really like those crayons.
Crayon?
I think that's really cute. But I think I like the heart. How about you, babe? There's the unicorn up there. Turtle, cloud.
Turtle.
Turtle. That's a good one. on, they light up. Yeah. Ooh, babe, you see the light? I mean, the owl. Cool ones, huh?
Pretty cool.
Oh, that's very clean smell.
I like this one.
It's called Heather
It's only
Sam.
$2.
That's cheap. $2.
I like it.
You like it? It's a very clean, like spring smell.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this little one. Look at this, baby. There's a sad one right here. Oh no, that's
How come it looks
cute.
like it got printed wrong? Oh, there you go. That's why. I was like, why is there only one sad one?
Oh.
So you're like, this is how we know. You leave this in the front door, and then when I come in and it's like, oh, she's in a good mood. If you're in the bad mood, I'm like, oh, okay, I should check this.
Oh.
You know.
That's a smart little indicator, huh? This is a flower shop. I like this flower shop, baby. All the different fake flowers. Oh,
Cool little line.
it is. This is so florally.
I think I'm gonna get this for my mom. I think she'll like this one.
Yeah. Luminaire. That sounds really good.
Hold on to that one. Do you have a bigger version?
Nair is a scent of jasmine, pear, ginger, and lily. And his
that's why
mom
I
likes
feel like-
lilies,
yeah.
so he's gonna get one for his mom. It's perfect for spring coming up. How is that one?
This doesn't smell as strong, but I like it.
It smells like the one that like we got her from Hawaii. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is like a different bottle.
It smells so fresh.
Damn, this feels a lot.
This is so cute. It's a mini one.
Which one is better, face wise? This one or this one?
Oh. I feel like this is pretty special.
This one? Okay.
This is nice too, but I think that one. How about you?
Do you want one?
Wow. Check out.
Ooh, should we try one of these? Oh, they're juices. Do you want a juice?
I'm okay.
Juice?
Some juice.
Some juice?
A lot of Swedish kind of snacks and food here. These are Swedish chocolates. Ooh.
Do you remember the mousse that we saw?
Yeah, it's a chocolate mousse.
Oh, right here.
Oh, wow, that's chocolate? This is soft toffee with chocolate coating. Oh, you could have a little sample there. These are cereal bar with peanuts, seeds, and nuts. And they have other types of snacks here. It's heart-shaped waffle. That's perfect for Valentine's. They sell the cinnamon buns that they sell at the food court here. Desserts, princess cake. Babe, did you see the princess cake?
Oh, no.
They have a princess cake, and then did you see these Did you see these waffles? Strawberry waffle,
That would
hard
be good for
waffles?
like Valentine's.
Right, I know, that's what I was saying too. This is flavored fruit drink. Ketchup and mustard? That's a cute
We
bottle.
tried it one time. I think it was not bad.
Oh really? How does it taste? Is it like similar to just
I'm
normal?
trying to see if it adds any like additives, but I don't think. Spear vinegar, salt, food starch modified. Citric acid is a little bit sour, so that's okay. Oh, they have a little bit preservatives. But that's not bad.
I want to look over there. Oh. My sister and I made a Swedish snacks tasting video, and we got all of our snacks here at IKEA. And we tried this one before, but we didn't dilute it, so when we try it again next time, we're gonna dilute it for the official feel and flavor. But this is kind of like a syrup. Ooh. Look at this gingerbread house, babe. Oh, I guess you use one of those syrups and you can make yourself a drink like this. Swedish candy. Babe, they have Swedish candy here. Oh, these are good. We're gonna get an icee. This icee machine, so they have all these different flavors. We're curious about the lingonberry. We've never tried that, so we'll give it a try. We just do everything, a little bit of everything,
Should
or
we
should
try
we?
a lingon? I
the
want to try it by
lingonberry?
itself first.
Okay, let's try. We're gonna try the lingonberry. Gonna push. I'm gonna give it a try, guys. That's so good. It reminds me of like the Minute Maid, like frozen Minute Maid. Pink lemonade vibe. That's good. It's a little tart. Ooh, I'm a fan. Okay, let's do a little bit of raspberry. Ooh, so blue. Okay, I think that's good. So Vince got his mom a candle. It's called Lugner. Sorry, I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. And then he got himself these smaller candles. I really like this one. It gives me like a very spa-like vibe, very relaxing. And then he also got this header Sam, and it's kind of like a grassy kind of smell, and it's very good for like spring. So stocking up for springtime soon.